Happy New Year, everyone, from Alina's Fashion. I'm so glad to meet you here. Okay, well, I'm going to be making this simple shimmy. So, first of all, you fold it in four places. Okay, this is it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the folded part. Okay, fold into four. Measure your full length starting from your shoulder line. Okay, so I'm going to roll a line for the shoulder right here. So this is the shoulder line. I'm going to be taking the full length measurement, which is 40 inches plus 2 inches, 42. So I'm marking it here like this. And so the next thing is to measure the shoulder divided by 2 plus 0.5 inch. So I have 9 as my shoulder. Okay, so from this 9 inches, I'm going to leave out 4 inches at the top for the 4 inches strip. Okay, so I'm going to be taking it like this point will be for the bust line. Okay, so I'm going to draw the line like so. So at this point, we're going to just connect it to the shoulder line like this, and then impute your bust divide by 4 plus 2 inches in this bust line. So I have mine 12.5 inches. Okay, so I'm imputing it here. Then the next, you just measure your shoulder to the waist, shoulder to the hip, leaving 4 inches. Okay, so here it is from waist to hip. I left 4 inches from the top, the shoulder line. Okay, so this is the waist divided by 4 plus 2 inches. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting this. So for the neckline, you come down by 3 inches from the shoulder line and connect it like this. So just basically draw a line to meet this other point that we did here. After that, you cut it out. You cut it out. But for the hem, I'm going to be taking 1 inch from the hem, and then I'm going to be giving the hem a curve. So here it is for the neck of the shimmy. It's coming out fine. Okay, so this is the full sketch. Okay, down to the hem. So just as I said, I'm going to be cutting 1 inch from the hem of the shimmy. So I'm going to be drawing the hem line so that it will be vivid enough. Okay, so and then I'm going to be coming up by 1 inch. Then I'll curve it to the center front of the shimmy. So this is to say Happy New Year to everyone. Okay, so this shimmy is like a New Year present to you. Yes, you watching this. Subscribe to Alina's Fashion. So this is the curve from the hem up to the shoulder to the neckline. Okay, so you're going to be cutting this out. Okay, after cutting it out, we have something like this. When you open this, you have the front and the back piece meshed together like this. So the next is to be cutting the stripes. Okay, so we are folding by bias. Okay, so we just fold like this to have the triangular form like so. So you cut the stripes like this. It's going to be used for the the armhole, also the neckline. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to attach this to the shimmy, so watch out for the next video. Thanks for watching.